India's biggest train heist, 5.7 crore stolen, but no one saw a thing. In 1987, a train carrying cash from banks was en route to Chennai. Inside a coach, stacks of money lay untouched, or so they thought. A gang of thieves inspired by Hollywood movies broke in through the roof without making a sound. When the train reached its destination, 5.7 crores was missing. No forced entry, no footprints, just a vanished fortune. Despite investigations, the mastermind was never caught. Where did the money go? The mystery remains unsolved. What do you think happened? Tell us in the comments.